everyone. My name is Robert Youssef. I am the Public Information Specialist for Riverside University Health System Behavioral Health. And I have been with RUHS Behavioral Health now since 2015. A little bit about how I got here. First off, I went to school. I got a bachelor's in business administration and a master's in business analysis. I went to college at Cal State San Bernardino. Prior to this, I worked as a civil servant. I was an elected official for a number of years and did various things within my own community before making the transition over here to behavioral health. I've always had a spot in my heart for behavioral health. At the time, I had an immediate family member that was seeking and using services, and just growing up with that, wanted me to learn more about it, be more aware about it, and find ways to let our community know about the tools and resources that are available. So I ended up becoming the public information specialist here at Behavioral Health. And some of my duties here is obviously I handle anything that has to do with community outreach. So media, public inquiries, social media. So all of our social media accounts run out of my office. We take care of our Snapchat, our Twitter, our Instagram, our YouTube channel, where we produce content for tools and resources for our employees and the community abroad. So we arranged public information campaigns that really shifted and changed with the pandemic. We focused a lot on making sure that our community knew about tools and resources that were available for behavioral health during this pandemic. As was noted earlier about, we're obviously very social, and being confined at home by ourselves can be difficult. And so we were making sure that we could change our strategy and get that information that would fall in line with the pandemic. So I also plan, coordinate, specialized different type of public events. So anytime you go out and you go to the colleges and you see us, with a booth or with an information table, generally comes through my office, so that we make sure we have the proper tools and resources. Anything you would see with like marketing, our brochures, our website comes through my office, and even with some of our partner websites, so sites that we don't necessarily have in-house, but like, for example, our network of care, which gives resources all throughout Riverside County. That's not just in-house with behavioral health, but our partners and people that we network with. That website, for example, I have a stake in. So kind of like our community connect. I also will kind of do some problem solving issues in terms of access to resources. So, we'll get calls, for example, from, whether it's from elected officials within Riverside County, city officials, school officials, where they're trying to find a particular resource or they have a particular inquiry or need help. That will come through my office as well too. Then we try to help them and assist in finding the right resources that fit their need. So I enjoy what I do. Like I said, I came from the business part of it, but it falls in line with my passion, and I'm grateful for the opportunity. For anyone out there that's looking to see maybe marketing or public information or anything with that journalistic or communication type of feel, this role could be for you. So you do have to have a minimum of a bachelor's degree with RUHS Behavioral Health. And it can be in journalism, communications, business administration, or public administration. Business administration is the one that I have. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to talk to you, and hopefully, maybe this is something you would like to do in the future.